Hi, my name is Ryan Matthews and I'm an engineer at Integrated Test and Measurement, or ITM. Our software developers have been hard at work creating custom applications using LabVIEW to solve specific problems for our customers, as well as adding some exciting new features to iTestSystem. One of the features I will demonstrate here today is the integration of the microphone channel and the sound level data view. Sound is typically measured in industrial environments in order to qualify equipment, monitor noise pollution, and ensure safe working conditions. To demonstrate this sound measurement, I have a PCB ICP microphone connected to a National Instruments 9191 chassis with a 9232 IEPE voltage module. The microphone is attached to this test fan, which will act as our audio source. I am now in the iTestSystem configuration window and will create the microphone channel. Right-click and select New Microphone. Next, enter in the channel name and set the microphone sensitivity. Click Apply. Then go to Hardware and assign that channel to the first open slot in the module. The microphone channel type can be used with any of the NI C-Series IEPE modules. I already created a MultiDAQ for this test. If you want more information on setting up MultiDAQ, please check out the video, Creating a MultiDAQ Task. For now, I can just right-click and select Run Test. I've already configured a sound level data view in MultiDAQ. I can open up the configuration window to adjust any of the settings, including channel displayed or number of samples. Other settings specific to this data view include weighting, octave type, and frequency range. You can also select which measurement is displayed in the time history graph. It is currently set to LEQ, but I will change this to running LEQ, and press OK. Now when I turn the fan on, you will see a response in the top left graph, which displays the band power, as well as the top right graph, which displays the total band power. The bottom graph displays the time history of the running LEQ. You will see the sound level decrease when the fan is turned back off. Any data you record in MultiDAQ can be viewed and analyzed in TestView Plus or sent to Automated Analytics to automatically process and report the results. As always, if you have any questions about iTestSystem, feel free to contact one of our test specialists by email at info@iTestSystem.com or by phone at 844-837-8797.